Yesterday's prices are not today's prices. Turn me up. Yeah. Turn me up. Hey. Yeah. What they do. TJ Too Smooth, Trade Your Wand. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. And it's TJ Too Smooth, Trade Your Wand. Yes, sir. Next. I'm next like, yeah. Rolling in a Cadillac, bitch, call me like daddy. Bitch, I'm smooth like cat daddy. Copyright. Alright, TJ Too Smooth, Trade Your Wand. What they do, I'm with Rose Janae right now. We are on the way to Tap 42.
Yes.
Down in Boca Raton.
A good time with family. Spending with our cousins.
Exactly, family vibe.
Yeah.
We love to do shit like this, y'all. I gotta bring more of this to the channel.
For sure.
Because honestly, you know, the car content is cool, but hey, y'all gotta see how nigga be living outside of that. You know what I mean? So, we'll see y'all in about, it's gonna be 2 seconds for y'all. It's gonna be like 45 minutes for us.
It's not gonna be 45 minutes, it's like 20.
Shit.
We going to Boca.
We going to Boca, so it's a 30-minute drive though.
Yeah, but the GPS say 24 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Right off of 95 then.
Yeah. So we good.
I'll let y'all know if it was really 20 minutes. Too smooth.
You know.
A few moments later.
Party, baby, don't get me started. 20 feet from the whip and I started. 20 deep when we get in the party. Find a bad one who wanna leave with me. Hit it once and she What is up, y'all? Looks like we made it in record time. I swear, your boy know how to drive. The CTS coupe, that's like a NASCAR. Only when I'm behind it, you know what I'm saying? If I had a V in that thing, shit, we might have made it here in 5 minutes flat. If y'all recall, last year for my birthday, I was right there at that hotel and I had a nice little time, a little getaway. Maybe we'll do it again. Maybe we'll go to Miami. Maybe we'll go to Orlando. Maybe we'll go to Atlanta. I don't know, but I definitely plan a little trip. We're here at Tap 42. Let's see what the vibes are. All my dogs making moves. Stepping new Jimmy shoes. Look at you like what it do. Pretty bitch, 2 tattoos. Told her come through and make moves. All my dogs making moves. Stepping new Jimmy shoes. Look at you like what it do. She be on the gram on the beach. She live in the trap low key. Got a couple grand for the feet, but don't got food for the week. Oh no, she live the life of a hustler. Better not wait. The drinks have arrived. Yeah. Listen, y'all.
Oh, you wanna come to Atlanta? You wanna go to Atlanta?
When?
Alright,
Whoops. Be right back, man. We want to first of all thank God for this fellowship. You know, brothers coming together, everybody at the table with a glover. Matter of fact, we got a new glover to the family. You know, congratulations to the newlyweds. Cheers to that. First sip, cheers to that. Come on, you gotta speed this up. That's just the first one. We got one more or 2 more. We got some birthdays at the table. We got a Scorpio. We got a Scorpio. It's Scorpio season. Yes, sir. Cheers to that. People going to Jamaica and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
April going to Atlanta.
Exactly, going to ATL, Georgia. All right. And then number 3. Remind me.
Anniversary, wedding
Anniversary. I wish my brother could be here.
I know.
Your second half, your better half is here, brother. She always hold it down.
Live always here.
Always here.
That's
all right, bro. We love you, bro. Cheers.
I don't be saying nothing, and he just be saying that.
Subscribe to the channel, man.
He has a channel. I'm
here. Because it's Jeremy 1 year too.
Cheers to Jeremy. That boy coming up. Cooking for City Girls, cooking for 808 Mafia. Yeah, big chef. This for you, Stewie. Are not yesterday's prices. Value has gone up.
Oh, look at
Hey! No, you serious?
Chef Stewie.
Okay.
Hang the light in here. We have really good cheers. All the cousins are here.
Turn up, man.
We're on the phone for a booking right now, guys. We'll be back. Oh, you know what? Look, it's a celebrity show.
Congratulations, cuzzo. All the
Jerry, we
success.
don't do the social media.
Exactly. He like, man, get me off the camera, man.
Hey, where the light at?
We ain't gonna do it.
Light.
Anyway, TJ 2 Street Treasure 1. A little bit of light. Y'all can see y'all.
Chris, shut up.
See y'all.
Barbara.
Let me get off this camera. We're gonna enjoy each other, man. Selfies and captions. Photo shoot like in my action. Yesterday's prices are not today's prices. Like in my action. I seen her, I stole her, what's happening. I need her, I don't know what happened. She see me, she overreacting. And got her homegirls hating. But they don't know our situation. And they don't know it's the
Chris.
and we're toasting too.
Courtesy
Jamie,
of
what's
the
the
chef.
occasion, brother?
Courtesy of the chef.
Courtesy of the chef. All of the above.
And new marriage.
More life. Everything. More life.
Balling on these niggas.
Balling on these niggas. Hey, they think he's balling because he got a blog. Hell yeah.
They call April Midnight, I'm outside.
Appreciate you, Cole. And I swear, brother, Tampa Bay game, boy, 38-5. Yes, sir. Oh my God. All right, we want to, first of all, I'm going to say give thanks. Give thanks for each other. Give thanks for life, prosperity. Man, hey, it's a vibe. God bless. April wasn't ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, man. Congratulations, more life. Yes, sir. Woo!
April staring at the phone. Why ain't no shot at me?
Yeah. Whenever you trying to do a video of what you're doing, I'll make a commercial for you.
No, you should do it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you do.
I need to make a YouTube.
Hook up with the kids. You get
No
smooth.
clickbait, bro.
Nah, no clickbait.
No clickbait shit.
Chef almost burns down venue.
Yeah.
West Palm Beach, Florida.
No,
The
we
clickbait.
don't need no clickbait.
Exactly.
My dog don't need
The
no
food is so
clickbait.
good it sells itself. No clickbait needed.
All you need is one taste from my dog. That's
One
it.
taste. That's facts. And oh, by the way,
What else? Put 'em on
let
that.
them know, Warren. Let them know. What's your Instagram?
Stewie, you feel me? Chef Stewie.
Chef Stewie. Hey, have my dog up there whipping up like this in the clouds. Man, listen, TJ Too Smooth has been a vibe at Top 42 with the family. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Rose Janae. Anyway, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to her channel. Share it with somebody who needs to see it. TJ Too Smooth Treasure 1, we gone.
Kept her close, she was doing the most. A nigga left and now it's killing her softly. Run it up and run it back till you faint. Rag it up, pull it out of the bank. Reinvest and you double up if